Okay.
Ready? Okay, so Accentuate. Let me explain this bad boy to you. So first off, zoom in on some music for me. Yeah, thank you. Ooh, cameraman, this is fun. First off, what you want to do is you want to break it down into phrases. So I'm going to ask you when you get home to grab a pencil and draw in a little box and then number your phrases. So this is phrase 2, phrase 3, and go all the way through that and label your phrases. Okay? We're basically taking this like a puzzle. You don't learn you don't put a whole piece of puzzle. You don't put a whole piece of a puzzle together at once. You do the little pieces, you do parts, you do the edge, you do the border, then you find the purples, your pinks. I don't know what puzzle you're doing. Purple and pink puzzle. But that's how you do it. You don't put it all together in 10 seconds. You put it together in parts. So we're going to take our parts, just like the puzzle. So this is our first part. We're going to do the first 4 bars. So we have a 5-stroke roll. 5-stroke roll off right and then left. And then an accent pattern like that. Okay. After that we have 9-stroke roll. Okay. So that's the second half. And then you put all that together. Disclaimer, that may take more than 10 seconds for you to learn, but that's the whole point. It's not supposed to take a day to learn, it's supposed to take a month. So take each one of those measures and really make sure they're perfect. Your metronome is going to be at between 110 and 120. Make sure it's perfect. After about 10 times, add the next bar. After 10 times, put those two together. Okay? That's how you should be practicing the whole piece, not just the first line. Bar at a time. So here's your second phrase. Second phrase starts with the same 5s and then a different accent pattern. Check it out. Sort of similar though. Then we have a nice long roll, 17-stroke roll. After you do those a bunch of times, put it together. Third line, it's kind of an easy one, paradiddles. Nice crescendo in there. And then it goes back down, and your favorite flam taps. Hey. But there's slow flam taps, so you'll get it. Remember when you do a flam, one hand is low, one hand is high. Yeah. Right? So try to figure that out. Fourth phrase is going to do a little more flams and more rolls. This one's a little weird, so check this out. So flam, flam, 9-stroke roll, and stop. Now here at bar 15, we have a 9-stroke roll, but on the and. So this is the sound. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. And then ends with triplet. Triplet stop. So the bars 15, 16 is. Okay. There's your A section. Then we go into a little B section. It gets softer and it does a new theme, a new kind of feel. So listen, it's flam, flam, flam. So we count that like this. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, oops. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Okay? So work at that. And then this is our C section at 25 is third part. This one's a little harder. So we have a little rhythm there, 17-stroke roll. And then some triplet fun. Flam accents are very hard. That's bar 28. Flam accents are pretty tricky. You may want to just practice flam accents on your own, one at a time, then put 2 together. and then put it together with the piece. Okay. Remember that 1 at a time, then 2 at a time thing took many years to make happen, so it wasn't just 10 seconds in learning it. Do those over and over. Okay? Here's the last line. Ready? Double paradiddles. And then we go into a roll. Those double paradiddles are kind of tricky to the Met, so take your time on that. And that should be the whole piece. I bid thee good luck. Do those. Hit that button again.